Page 52, a great combination. How can matter be classified? What kinds of food could you make with the ingredients shown below? You could eat slices of tomato as a snack, or you can combine tomato slices with lettuce to make a salad, combine more ingredients such as bread and cheese, and you could have a sandwich. Just as these meals are made up of simpler foods, matter is made up of basic ingredients known as atoms. Atoms are the smallest unit of element that maintains the properties of that element. Atoms, like food shown here, can be combined to different ways to produce different substances. The substances you encounter every day can be classified into one of the three major classes of matter: elements, compounds, and mixtures. Atoms are the basic building blocks for all three types of matter. Elements, compounds, and mixtures differ in a way that atoms are combined. Matter can be classified into elements, compounds, and mixtures. Page 53. You can think of atoms as the building blocks of matter. Like these toy blocks, atoms can be connected in different ways. The models below show how atoms make up elements and compounds. Elements and compounds, in turn, make up mixtures. An atom is like a building block of matter. An element is made up of one or more of the same kind of atom chemically combined. A compound is made up of different kinds of atoms chemically combined. Compounds have different properties from the elements that make them up. A mixture contains a variety of elements and compounds that are not chemically combined with each other. Pure genius. What are pure substances? Elements and compounds are pure substances. A pure substance is a substance that has definite physical and chemical properties such as appearance, melting point, and reactivity. No matter the amount of pure substance you have, it will always have the same properties. This is because pure substances are made up of one type of particle. Pure substances are made up of one type of particle. Copper, like all elements, is a pure substance. Take a look at the element copper shown below. The atoms that make up copper are all the same. No matter where in the world you find pure copper, it will always have the same properties. Compounds are also pure substances. Consider water shown on the next page. Two different kinds of atoms make up each of the chemically combined particle or molecule. Every water molecule is identical. Every molecule is made up of exactly two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. Because water is a pure substance, we can define certain properties of water. For example, at standard pressure, water always freezes at 0 degrees Celsius and boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Page 55. Pure substances cannot be formed or broken down by physical changes. Physical changes such as melting, freezing, cutting, or smashing do not change the identity of pure substances. For example, if you cut copper wire into short pieces, the material is still copper. And if you freeze liquid water, the particles that make up ice remain the same, two hydrogen atoms combined with one oxygen atom. The chemical bonds that hold atoms together cannot be broken easily. To break or form chemical bonds, a chemical change is required. For example, when an electric current is passed through water, a chemical change takes place. The atoms that make up the compound break apart into two elements, hydrogen and oxygen. When a pure substance undergoes a chemical change, it is no longer that same substance. A chemical change changes the identity of the substance. Individual atoms cannot be broken down into smaller parts by normal physical or chemical changes.